Greetings from this beautiful natural nudist beach spot in Stockholm region, more specifically in Nacka, as this is Svärdsö nature reserve, and it is one of the few nature reserves that has a lot of nudist beach spots. The main nudist beach spot is on the other side, but I thought to check this out today as it looked amazing, and I'm gonna head on to the other side later when the sun disappears here. I have visited this same beach spot last year a few times and I really loved it. Here mostly the water is warmer as it is a closed surface here, and I just did measure the temperature and it was 14 degrees Celsius, which is 5 degrees warmer than yesterday when I have been to Badet, that is around 4 kilometers away from here on the other side. Beautiful sandy beach, check out that episode as well. But today I have cycled the same way as yesterday to Badet and then continued through the forest and then through the posh neighborhood of Solsidan with beautiful houses where the rich people live. And I'm here in this beautiful nature all alone. There is nobody here in this whole beautiful setting. It is 2 p.m. and 18 degrees Celsius in the air, and I got help of my ghost gravel bike to get here. 19 kilometers exactly it was, because I took a bit of a shortcut, as usually it is 20 kilometers this way. And it took me 49 minutes and 30 seconds to get here today. Yeah, what else? This is how this spot looks like, and there is even further down as well, even more secluded beach spot on that side. But I am so acquainted with this one as it is very easy to enter from these tiny rocks, very small islands. And it's definitely a blessing to be able to have access to such beautiful nature on the sea. Yes, this is the Baltic Sea. Let not the picture fool you. This is the Baltic Sea. It is a bit of a closed area here, and lots of the posh people here have boats on the sea, and their houses are on the sea. So that would be a dream to own such house in the future. It doesn't need to be that posh, but yeah, I would just love to take out the boat and go out for adventure in the archipelago, in the country with the most islands in the world, that is Sweden. I'm not sure if you know that fact, but it's a fact. If you don't believe me, look it up. Sweden has the most islands in the world. Alright, so yesterday I have started the video when I said that it was 20th of May, which was incorrect because it was 19th, as today is 20th of May. And beach day number 12 it is on my Sweden beach adventures. And now I'm still very busy actually with Eurovision content, but I will slightly proceed with creating more beach content, as I have a lot of backlog actually from my travels and I haven't had time to edit due to Eurovision happening. But there is more beach content coming from my cruise in Panama and from my Caribbean cruise in January as well, and more from Rhodos and Mallorca as well. But yeah, beautiful sunny Tuesday. It's gonna be colder in the upcoming days, so I really wanted to use this last day of warmth before the cold kicks in, and then I'm gonna just visit the close by lakes in the upcoming days. Now let's go in for a swim in the sea here in this beautiful spot. Yes, you can be here completely naked as there is nobody here, and it's actually part of the Svärdsö nature reserve and the nudist beach as well. Especially when there is nobody around, it's allowed to enjoy naked in the beautiful Swedish nature that is. And I just love this type of settings. If you have been watching my channel, you know that I have a soft spot for this type of rocky natural spots. I prefer these instead of the sandy beaches that are nice but usually crowded with people. And yeah, so I just love these stones over here as well. And it's gonna be cold, but not as cold as yesterday. So all right, now let's go and have a nice swim here. Now here the entrance is slimy a bit, but that's fine. We're gonna work out with what we have. All right, ready, set, go! It's warmer than yesterday, yes. 14 degrees I measured, and it's warmer. Yesterday it was so cold, 9 degrees at Erstaviksbadet. And this would be my happy place for today. It looks so lovely indeed. The beautiful Swedish nature at its best. And I just love the combination of cycling with beach. So I get my daily exercise. It's gonna be 38 kilometers today in total, 1 hour and 40 minutes, and then also obviously some dips and some sunbathing that takes off some calories as well. So yeah, that's a wrap from Svärdsö Nature Reserve, this nudist beach spot that I have for myself today. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.